Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send automatic emails in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This section will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your selected project. In this new tab, click on this three-dot icon labeled More Actions next to your project's name. This will open a drop-down menu where you will click on the Project Settings option. In this new tab containing your project settings, click on the Automation option on the left panel. In this new tab containing your automation settings, click on Create Rule at the top right corner. Then in this drop-down menu, click on the Create from Scratch option. In this new tab, start by adding a trigger. In these options right here, choose the one that best fits your preferences. Next, click on Add Component right here. Then in this right panel, click on this Then option. Now for the action, click on the Send Customized Email option. Now start by typing in an email name, and then for the recipients, you can choose to add their email addresses, or you may also choose to add them as a group. After that, another requirement is that you need to add a subject line for your email in this field. Next, scroll up and click on this Content tab. And in this field, you're going to type the content of your automatic email. Once you're done, click on Next down here. Next, once you're done creating your rule, click on the Turn on Rule option up here. This tab will appear asking you to name your rule, and then choose the people who can edit this rule. So you may choose from these options here, and then click on Turn on Rule again down here. And that is how you can send automatic emails in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.